Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color SpongeBob and Patrick Star playing in the sand. Let's start drawing. To start, I draw Patrick Star. I draw his eyes and his smiling mouth. Then I draw his head. And his arms. He is very relaxed. And he lies on the ground. What is this on his belly? Oh yes, sand! Finally, I draw his feet. Now let's draw SpongeBob. I start with his nose, the eyes, and his smiling mouth with 2 teeth. I draw his head. Then I draw his arms like this. In his hands, he holds a bucket and pours sand onto Patrick. I finally draw his swim shorts. And legs. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color Patrick Star. I color his skin with cream. Then I color SpongeBob. I use blue for his eyes. I use yellow for his skin. And I color the holes with this marker. For the swimsuit, I use blue. And mint. I color the bucket with red. And orange. Then I color the sand with this brown marker. Finally, I add some blue in the background. Brown. Fantastic! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.